In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to hide all posts on Facebook. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to quickly hide all posts on your Facebook timeline. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Facebook account. Having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to go to your profile. Click on here to go to your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down, and all your posts that you have been posted on your Facebook timeline is going to be displayed. Now, for you to hide all these posts, what you need to do is to simply scroll to the top. So from the top right here, click on filters. Then take you to this particular page. Under the privacy right here, click on all posts. Then change to only me. Then click on done. So by doing that, all posts is going to be locked, just like what you see right here. So if you scroll down, there won't be any post available on your Facebook timeline. So this is how to hide all posts on your Facebook timeline, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.